To mark the Khasi International Awakening Day, the Khasi Students' Union Maulai Circle today inaugurated the Maitshaphrang Khasi League Basketball for both men and women at Maulai Nongpadeng Basketball Ground. KSU General Secretary Donald V. Thaba inaugurated the Maitshaphrang Khasi League Basketball. The teams participating in the league included 12 teams in women category and 30 teams in men category. In the opening games for women, Maitshaphrang Marvels was playing against the Dubak Chan and Maitshaphrang won the match, whereas in the men category, Seng Samla Maulai Nongpadeng won the match against KSU Maitshaphrang Circle.
Long ya kan Khasi League Basketball Tournament insya Allah para Khasi bat kata ka objektif lain ka vision ka jong ka KSU kalong ba ini kilong kita kirensan lani ki madan ki ban ai experience mi kena juni ai kinya kun sa para mangi ai kinyo alat baginya kun sa para maki ban longkum sibanta bagi ban kre lagi ban kio pat kirensan ban kun pat bagi gije ban riu lagade ka state level dan ka national level but international level.
The Indian National